1. Hello everyone. Wish you happy in learning English. Let's consider for, since, in the perfect tense. For shows the length of time of the action, such as he has worked there for 6 months. Since shows the time that the action began, such as he has worked there since February. Let's change these sentences to introduce since in place of for. Then make whatever other changes are necessary. Abba has been sick for 3 days. We have been living in Thailand for 3 years. Ingmar Bergman has worked for that firm for 6 months. Pippi has not seen Sylvia for several days. You have not eaten anything for 2 days. We have been planning this trip for a year. It has been raining steadily for 8 hours. Corn. Do you know how to answer them? Let's try together. 1. Abba has been sick since Sunday. 2. We have been living in Thailand since 2025. 3. Ingmar Bergman has worked for that firm since June. 4. Pippi has not seen Sylvia since Monday. 5. You have not eaten anything since Friday. 6. We have been planning this trip since last year. 7. It has been raining steadily since 6 a.m. Happy and fun in English.